Hello, friends. Welcome to the wonderful world of letters. Today we are exploring the letter C and its sounds. So let's start the video. C says cup, cup. C says cat, cat. C says carrot, carrot. C says car, car. C says cap, cap. C says coat, coat. C says candy, candy. C says cake, cake. C says coffee, coffee. C says camera, camera. C says computer, computer. C says cabbage, cabbage. C says cucumber, cucumber. C says corn, corn. C says cupcake, cupcake. C says cube, cube. C says comb, comb. C says cupboard, cupboard. C says crocodile, crocodile. C says clock, clock. C says corn, corn. C says climb, climb. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned till next video.